Shape Oil Microneedle Patch is marketed as a weight loss patch that supposedly helps burn fat and support effortless weight loss through microneedle technology. But the real question is, can you actually trust the reviews, or are they giving a misleading picture of what the product can do? Now, to be fair, microneedle technology is a legitimate medical concept. Researchers have explored microneedles for drug delivery and other healthcare applications for years. What it does well: easy to use. Applying a patch is simple and requires little effort compared to many weight loss programs. May encourage consistency. Users who dislike pills or powders may find patches more convenient. Where the hype falls apart, there is little evidence that it causes significant weight loss. This is the biggest issue. Most weight loss patches lack strong clinical evidence showing meaningful fat loss results. Reviews can be difficult to verify. Many testimonials online may be promotional, incentivized, or impossible to independently confirm. Positive reviews do not prove effectiveness. A handful of success stories cannot establish that a product works for most users. So, can you trust the reviews for Shape Oil Microneedle Patch? Short answer: not completely. Some reviews may be genuine, but they should not be treated as proof that the product delivers the dramatic weight loss results often advertised. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.